How to review filter comments on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. Now we are going to know that how to view or review the filtered comment on TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox, and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile, and at the right top corner there are the three lines. Click on it, click on the settings and the privacy here, and here you can see there is an option of the privacy. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the privacy. Here you have to scroll this bar and click on the comments here. Whenever you have to click on the comments here, you can see at the bottom there is an option of the review filtered comments. Click on it, and you can see there is a no filter comment will appear here. If you have to filter any of the comments, that will appear here, and you will get a review and you can see that filtered comments on your device. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.